These elusive, massive creatures are the phantoms in the Arctic world. They usually stay in small packs as if close-knit families. While they might be part of the same species, each individual carries its own distinctive beak shape, with hard, thickened keratin, all with different shapes and structures. The keratin beak is hyper-reinforced to be able to break through ice structures to get to fish and other prey. In doing so, giving them each individual characteristics, while also having similarities of being absolutely massive, with shaggy, thick fur-like feathers absolutely covering their entire bodies, keeping them warm from the tundra climate. Under that thick coat, they sport massive talons on their feet and arms, great for grasping their prey. The rarity of these creatures create an aura of mystery. Though little evidence has been actually captured and seen of them, we have observed that they are highly intelligent, and they, too, love to observe. They find mammalian species particularly interesting. You can see them at a distance observing polar bears or seals, but the mammalian creatures they find the most interesting are humans. Maybe it's the presence of another warm body in such a lonesome and volatile environment that draws them in so curiously. They are most fond to humans, particularly travelers and the Inuit tribes, because they found interest and respect in these creatures for the most part, relative to the polar bears or seals who get a more defensive position. Though their stature may be intimidating, these birds have often been found escorting travelers, whether researchers or other tribesmen, and protecting them from blizzards and other such catastrophes. However, when threatened, they can release a ear-shattering cry that's likened to the combining sounds of a sandhill crane and a male caribou. A screech being so piercing it can often disorientate the offenders by causing them spouts of vertigo, along with dizziness and headaches, virtually discombobulating the opponent until movement is completely eroded from their repertoire, dubbing them erosion birds. Their other nickname, opium birds, is also a reference to the similar side effects that these birds cause from their intimidating shrieks: nausea, vomiting, discombobulation, dizziness. With their very suitable nicknames, there's still not a lot known about them and their nature. Most likely unconfirmed, but many testimonies have speculated that these bird cries can also be majestic songs of joy or mating ritual. These versions of the vocalizations are more slowed in tempo, creating a long, drawled-out, majestic song. But that is simply speculation.